Okay, let's do this mixture problem. Somebody read this problem for us.
A chemist must mix 8 liters of a 40% acid solution with some 70% solution to get a 50% solution. How much of the 70% solution should be used?
Okay, very good. So this is a mixture problem. So let's take a look at this picture. So if I have some 40% solution here and some 70% solution here, and ultimately we want to get 50% solution if I add these. So what do I have to put here? Do I know the amount here? Can somebody tell me by reading this problem what goes under this 40% solution? That should be pretty simple, right? So what goes here? It says that we have how many liters?
8 liters.
8 liters, okay. So we're going to mark this 8 liters. How about what do I have to put under 70% solution? Do I know? You don't know, right? So what are we going to do if you don't know?
X.
Okay, so I like to put N or X, okay. So if that's going to be 8 liter and it's going to be N, so how much we're going to have for 50% solution then, to total? So what would be the amount for 50% based on N, in terms of N?
X plus N.
You mean 8 plus N, right? Because we already know
8 plus N. 8 plus N, sorry.
Wait with that. The 8 plus N. So can somebody tell me how to set up this formula here now then? Okay, the formula is right in front of us, right? It would be, go ahead.
Yeah, 8 times 0.40 plus N times 0.70 equals 0.50 times 8 plus N.
Right, very good. So in this case, we would have 40% times 8 plus 70% times N is equal to 50% times 8 plus N, and you already converted to decimal. You're absolutely right. And then we can distribute and then simply solve for N. We get 0.7 N minus 0.5 N is equal to 4 minus 3.2. You can actually multiply each term by 10 if you like to eliminate the decimal, but you don't really have to. So it would be 0.2 N if we add all the N's together. Then we get N would be equal to 0.8 over 0.2. So what would be the amount then? What would be N? Anyone? .8 divided by 0.2 is equal to
4
liter. Don't forget, you need to have a units next to your final answer. It would be 4 liters of 70%. That's what we need.